Hello, welcome back to the SAU 39. It's learning tutorials for teachers. As you may have seen in the tour, this is actually the SAU 39 dashboard. There is one for Amherst Middle School, very much the same. I'm sure this is going to be changed as we go along. So the first thing you need to do is we're going to be adding a course, and that's the same as a class. And you can do this in a couple different ways. You can go up here to courses and it shows you a list of courses, or you can go to this content block and you can hit add course. We're going to add a regular course. You do have early learning courses for those of you teachers who are in kindergarten, first, second grade. They actually have ones with icons, and then they can change up the way it looks. It has pirates and princesses and soccer players. So if you're in grades 4 probably on up, sorry you won't have the ability to use those, but your kids probably wouldn't want to use them anyway. So I'm just going to put I call this my test course. And then we could even upload a file here from a previous course. So if you've had a course last year that you had all set up, you can export it at the end of the year, and it gets rid of all your students. It gets rid of all of your dates on your calendar for your planner, and just basically gives you a completely clean slate. It keeps the old course intact, has all your students, all their information, but now you've got a clean course. You don't have to redesign your course or delete students. It's already set up for you. So today we're just starting a new course, so we don't have to do any uploading. So I'm sure we'll have a tutorial on that later. So here we go. We have our course, and this is just a basic setup. One of the things that they said that we should do is probably change the layout. You can do a one column, so it's all down the middle, two columns as you see here, or wide left. So what you can do is you see is that this side is much wider. So maybe the planner isn't something that you want to have so wide, and maybe you would like to have the events come up over here. All right. So that's basically it for setting up the class. Over here in the content blocks, we have ones that you can create. So you can put one where you can add links. You can have a box that has images in it. You can have a text-rich field, which is what I'm going to add in a second, just as a welcome. Then you have aggregated, and all of these are ones that are generated from other areas of the site. And so, for instance, courses, you can add a course, and you can move that to wherever you want it. And so when the students come into your course, if they want to go to any of their other courses that they are attached to, they can go to them almost immediately. So let's say we want to just add real quickly a created course. We can just add this right here. This is called a rich content. It's just basically a text editor. It does autofill too. So welcome to class. And then in here you can even put, like, what's a course without having a soccer ball every once in a while. And then you can even type your welcome statement, and you can change the size. You can make it even bigger, I think. Go to large, and then you can also make or even put another color background behind it, make it look 3D. Oh, that hurts. So anyway, then when you go back to here, comes up as your welcome. You can move it to anywhere you want to, and then anytime you want to change something, that pencil right there is your friend. That's what allows you to go back and edit it, and you can even change the color of the boxes by pushing this little looks like a shell or something like that, but you can do those at different colors. So basically now you're all set, and the next thing we're going to do is talk about how do you add kids to your classes.